She's very excited. What's her name?
Kona.
Kona. Hi, Kona. Oh, she's
More interested in playing. Hi. Good job.
So let me show you the cottage from inside. This is our cottage. It has a bench here. Here we can have some tea or coffee in the morning or evening. And then here it comes. It says no smoking, no pets. So that's what it says. So let's get inside. So as we enter, stairs, and then we enter. Here there is a TV and the big window. This is a beautiful view from here. And as we turn from here, we see there is a dining table and the sofa. And that was the door that we came in. There are some shelves where you can just keep the coats and everything, shoe trays, and the TV. So this is the sofa area, and as we see here, there's a beautiful quotation that says, yeah, here we can see it: we create our tomorrows by what we dream today. This is a beautiful quotation. I love it. And each room has a heater. So there's a heater. This works as a heater in the winter and AC in the summer. So both the ways. So yeah, it's like this. The sofa, the dining table, and the kitchen. It's all compact but beautiful. So here we have the oven, the gas burner, the fridge, and the counter, kitchen counter. This is a coffee machine, and we have a toaster also, a microwave, and we have everything stored here, all the pantries. So yes, and as we turn around, here we have this sink, and that's me. Hi. So the sink, all the towels stored here, and yes, so opposite to this sink is our bedroom. It's a small bedroom, but enough for two. So this has a bed which is a little bit smaller than the queen size. So this is the bed, and as we turn around, so that's the sink, and this is our bedroom. So we can keep anything here also. And we have a mirror here and the window. We can see the other cottages from here. And as we go outside, here we have the bathroom. Small but beautiful cottage, and the beautiful outside. Just see how beautiful this cottage is looking. Flowers, red flowers. Wow, this flower is so beautiful, so different. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please do subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends and family.